can a general ed teacher sign an IEP without attending the meeting? If the answer is no, where do I find in the IDA laws to back myself up? So fraud is fraud. So no laws talk about the illegal part. If you attended an IEP meeting, then you would sign. Why would anybody sign a meeting they didn't participate in, especially a meeting that gives a child a special ed program for a year and is contingent upon assurances, the assurances that are read at the end. They have to read those assurances because they receive federal grant money. So not sure why somebody would do that and put their licensure in play. Because if you signed a document that you attended a meeting in special education, you did it, that is educator misconduct. It just is. And I had a huge OCR case years ago where the district had actually signed the mother's name who had never been invited to the meeting, didn't speak English, and had never signed an IEP document. So I had a very large Office of Civil Rights complaint that was open, substantiated, and ultimately we settled with the district and they provided a compensatory package. So I don't know why anybody with a license would sign that they were at a meeting that they weren't at, because you've either done something legal and valid or you've done something fraudulent.